Delaney, who are you waiting for? You're waiting for Grandpa and you're waiting for Lauren?
Yeah.
Are they going to come visit you?
Yeah.
What do you want to do with them?
No. The water.
You want to play in water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, do the bucket.
To fill the bucket?
Yeah, a little bucket too.
The big bucket and the little bucket?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll have to ask Grandpa and Lauren.
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah. Don't hit them.
No, you don't hit them.
Say sorry.
Yeah, you say sorry, you're right. And don't do it again.
Come and visit my house.
Are they coming to your house?